Welcome to 666 Gateway Drive, Unit 501 in Leesburg, Virginia. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo offers a little over 1,200 square feet of comfortable living space. This home just went through some major renovations with new floors, bathrooms, and much more. As you enter, you see an open floor concept that connects the living, dining, and the kitchen area and offers a relaxing, entertaining atmosphere for your daily life. The kitchen offers a practical layout that is connected with the 3 bedrooms, and the 3rd bedroom could be a home office or an additional space for your family. This home offers a full-size washer-dryer inside the unit, and the location is a major bonus with a less than mile away from the Washington Old Dominion Trail, close proximity to Old Town Leesburg, Leesburg Outlets, and much more. If you are looking for a spacious condo in a convenient Leesburg location, this is definitely one to take a look. Schedule your tour today.